Ay. Tryna have fun with friends, even though I know it's just pretend. Ako manganaya, ikangaroy ako tangiria. Yakataya paya pagaya ni ko'y rongkay yakangara.
Well, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. As you see, my name is David Elaine. If you check on my YouTube channel, please check on Kiribus Pro and just subscribe on my channel so you can get any notifications or any new uploading videos I added to the YouTube.
Emma, 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 you gave me something to believe in just to leave me. Now you're all in my head, and I'm all over. Hey, you got me so stressed out, I think I need a day off. Everything that you said, they still mess with my head. You got me so stressed out, I think I need a day off. Yeah.
You know that I make the new product here. You can see here. So this is the new one. So as you can see right now, so you see, if you see my face before, it used to be black, and it's not really go like this before, but all the way from here, if you see, it's getting better. The skin is improving. The purpose of the Detox Facial Mask is to absorb all those bad stuff on your skin, on your facial skin, and will absorb them and will clean them and will heal the skin. So it's also heal the skin, but it's also improving the cell skin. So I am the evidence of this, and it's been 3 days so far to apply the Detox Facial Mask product. I made this Detox Facial Mask product, and if you like, you are more than welcome to come and visit me at the Micro stations closer to it's right there in the LDS Church, moving forward to Catholic Maneba, right next to the lagoon site. So so here I will give you some of the demonstrations and how to use and how to apply the Detox Facial Mask powder, and I will show you how to do it, and I will give you a free facial cream on your face. So don't worry, you come and I show you everything that you need to do. So thank you so much, and I'm so excited for you to be the fancy, to be the most handsome and beautiful girl, beautiful boy, you ever want. So the only way to be beautiful and to be liked by everyone is to take care of your face. Thank you so much, and remember to subscribe on my channel, because whenever I have some new uploadings, you always get notified of new stuff. Thank you so much, and have a great night. Sabo.
You got me going